We have a 2013 4.4 1600 high-speed Mazda gearbox, black wires including a spare, black headlamp rims, side lights, overriders, badge bar, uprated side mirrors, tan interior with elbow rail protectors, door lock covers, stainless steel check straps, elasticated door pockets, steering column cowl covered in leather, and an aircraft going overhead, heated seats, Moto-lita steering wheel, PVC easy up roof, luggage rack. It also has a hood frame cover as well. Ear spinners, obviously door handles, has a very natty glove box that drops down underneath the dashboard. 24,000 miles.